Hard working day. Sitting down the road. Afghani, hard to find. I put Jack Daniel. Had a trouble of a day. The job I got. It sucked. Suck, yeah, right on, right, suck on. I suck on that J. The manager, he wants success. But I'm not no robot. No, I'm not a robot. Drinking down my Jack Daniel. I took my t-shirt off. I flicked the TV on. No good, I put on my favorite film. But deep down inside, I'm not happy. Got you working like a monkey. Working like a slave. And wages low. They got 100 people waiting in the queue for work. Oh, got to get rid of anybody not happy. There's no process for complaining, yes. I'm running down like an old man at 25. Well, I study at college and I got me the job. Now I feel like a puppet in a suit. A salesman, yeah, in a car show, yeah, a salesman. Commission only. So I don't sell, I don't make it all. So all that college is a waste of time. So I put another dream. I think what a fool I've been. What a fool I've been. I got a low down dive to live in. I just pretend I'm doing good. No customer would buy off me if I dressed any other way. No, they won't let me work if I dress like I normally do. It's a torture. It just isn't me. It just isn't me. It just isn't me. I got no choice. And all the college leaves say, show a picture of success. Never show no picture of failure. No. Everybody's smiling in that leave when you got a degree. Now I'm a car showroom salesman. Cries. all day. Nights I hit it big. Oh, I got some Afghani, I got some trips. Sometimes I still hide when I get into work. When I get into work, drive through the city like a robot in human clothes. Oh, bad news all around. Most days nothing happened at all. Like a rolling stone, I can't wait to go home. Well, there's nothing in the fridge except booze and my weed. If I get busted, that's the last place the pigs might look. I've been busted several times before.